Hi guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to fix FPS and lag in Rivals game Roblox. So first things you need to check for your lag is you need to check here in the top. If it says high MS, then you need to close your Rivals game and rejoin so that they will give you a better server. So for me, this ping here or MS is already good. And in order for you to have higher frames per second or FPS, you need to go to your settings here and then you need to go to video. Then you need to switch these things here in order for you to have higher FPS. But for me, since I have a good PC, I will no longer select that one. And then also on this part here, field of view, you can increase this one here in order for you to have better frames per second. For me, I want to use 100, and that's it for me. And that's it, guys, for fixing your FPS and lag in this Rivals game Roblox.